morning, everybody. Here we go with what I hope is the last installment of this change in residency. I'm off right now to the DMV bureaucracy to get a tag for this town and country, I hope. I've already got my driver's license and I've got insurance changed over, so now I need to get a tag and then I can start my Uber stuff to get ready to drive Uber here. So that's what's going on today. Let's see what happens with it. Okay, so I'm going to take off here. It's about 5 after 8. My appointment's at 8:30. I should be early. And one good thing about the Florida DMV, for those of you that are going to do this one of these days, which a lot of people do it, is that you can set up an appointment. So since I knew I wasn't going to get a registration for the vehicle last time I was there because of all that extra tax, I was able to set up an appointment. So I have an appointment this morning at 8:30. So supposedly they guarantee that you'll get in there within 10 minutes of that time. So hopefully that holds true. But something I wanted to clear up, I had said in earlier videos that I was doing this change of residency because of them tearing up the interstates up in Birmingham, and that's true. But what that was the final thing that made me come to this decision. I had already thought about staying down here for 15 months before, just because there are some bucket list things that I want to get done, and I think I can do them here as well as anywhere. And most of it has to do with species of fish I want to catch and cook and eat. And also I want to do some crabbing, so I'm going to buy some crab traps. And I just love to eat blue crab. I don't know how many of you have. There's an old saying up in Alabama that they're like eating hickory nuts. That's what they call them up in Alabama, hickory nuts. Everywhere else, probably in the Midwest, whatever, they call them hickory nuts. But if you know what I mean, it's, you work hard enough to get the meat out of it that you'd never get full eating a hickory nut. So blue crab can sort of be that way, but I just love them. I love the taste and texture and whatever, so I'm going to try to do that. So it wasn't just the highways in Birmingham, it was also me wanting to get some personal things done before the final curtain call, if you get my drift. So anyway, that's what that's all about. Let's go see today if I can get this registration thing done. Hopefully they won't find one little stupid thing like a missing letter somewhere and deny me a tag for another 2 or 3 weeks. This has been going on now about 6 weeks. Okay, I'm going to see you again when I come out of the DMV. You'll know if I have a tag or not, because I'll be real smiling about it. See you later. Well, okay, folks, let's see. $346 and some change later, I have a tag. And that was reasonably painless for a government agency, I have to say. I went in there and I had the correct stuff. I probably got there at about 10 after, quarter after 8. I didn't look. It is now about 17 till 9, and I have official paperwork in hand. So that wasn't bad at all, having that appointment. I even wasted, of that small amount of time, I wasted probably 3 or 4 minutes being confused. So that wasn't a bad deal at all. So anyway, here we are, all registered in Florida and ready to go. Now, I'm going to start the Uber thing and see how long it takes me to transfer from Alabama to Florida with the Uber. So here we are, the end of part 3 and the end of this series. I am now officially a resident of Florida, and that's everything. I hope in sections 1, 2, and 3 you find out everything you have to do to change your domicile. But just in parting, I do want to tell you to bring some doggone money with you, because it costs. This tag on renewal, they hit you the first time. On renewal, it's only going to cost me $48. So instead of the $300 and something. But there was actually an extra $46 charge in there, because if I didn't pay that $46, I would have to have come back on my birthday and got a tag again. So they let me pay $46 for the rest of the 2008, I don't know, I guess it's a 19 too. Yeah, they let me pay $46 for the rest of 2019 through my birthday, which is in July, and then gave me a whole another year, which I don't have to buy a tag again until July of 2020. So it was pretty expensive, but at least it's not going to be real aggravating. So again, that was that for that, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. And if you want to decide to be a Florida resident, that's all the bullshit you have to do. So just be prepared for that. Have your charge card, your debit card, your checkbook, your billfold, whatever with you, because you're going to need it. So everybody have a good day. Here's to you.